friends! Welcome back. Today, I am going to tell you the fox story. The story goes, that long ago, there lived an old fox in a forest. He could not easily find the food he needed, being old and lacking in strength. He sometimes ate the meat left by the tigers, and sometimes ate the fruits of small plants in the forest. There was a village near the forest. When he first went to that village to steal chickens, the villagers beat him up, so he didn't dare to enter the village in his old age. He was always afraid that if he entered the village, he wouldn't be able to escape and save his life, and that if he stayed in the forest, he would starve. But despite all the efforts, he still ate food. He never went hungry. One day there was a full moon night, and the light of moon was shining brightly in the forest. He went out to find food in the forest for his sustenance. While he was walking around, eating the fruits of the forest for some time, he saw many birds sitting on a tall tree and started thinking of ways to eat them. The forest was also illuminated by the moonlight. The birds were watching the fox coming towards the tree where they were sitting. When the fox reached the tree, it tried to climb it, but the tree was very tall. It was not possible to catch the birds at the top. The fox got down from the tree and started thinking. The birds were watching all this clearly. The birds began to say, "Look, friends, the cunning fox has come. God knows what conspiracy he must have hatched to eat us. We have to be careful." So all the birds kept a sharp watch on the fox. They said, "We will not blink our eyes until the morning. If one of us blinks his eyes, then that bird will be caught by the fox." The fox was watching all this. He was thinking hard about how to eat them. The birds were watching the fox while taking turns. Each bird was keeping a sharp watch on the fox, so that no one could take advantage of the carelessness of other birds, and the fox could not catch any bird. After some time, when the turn of the owl came, the fox started scratching his head by applying brain. The fox thought, "If I keep standing here and do something, then maybe the birds will not like it. I should go somewhere else and then come back, because these birds are very alert." So the fox went to a distance, and from there, he started making a plan. The fox decided that he would try to catch the birds in the morning. So the fox slept there. In the morning, when the light of the sun started falling on the earth, the fox got up and started yawning and stretching. The birds saw that the cunning fox was awake. All the birds kept watching the fox. The birds were afraid that the fox might jump on them at any moment, but they were more afraid that their eyes might get heavy.
If their eyes got heavy, the fox might catch them.
Thinking this, all the birds continued to watch the fox while taking turns. The fox knew that if he climbed the tree, the birds would be alert and they would all fly away. The fox started dancing. He started jumping and dancing and shouting.
After dancing for a while, he felt tired and pretended to be dead,
Thinking that the birds would come to see him and catch and eat them at that time. So he lay down on the ground, pretending to be dead. Meanwhile, the birds began to feel that the fox was tired and that they were safe. But after a while, the fox got up again and started dancing in a different way than before. Seeing that, the birds were afraid and kept watching the fox without blinking their eyes, saying that they should not take their eyes off the fox. This time, the fox started dancing around the tree. Some birds, who had not taken their eyes off the fox, kept watching, but they were so dizzy that they fell to the ground. The fox happily caught the bird and went on his way. Friends, this story tells us that paying too much attention to something is also dangerous. The birds paid so much attention to the fox that they forgot everything else, and eventually they started falling asleep. That's why it is said that if you have to do something, then do it with full concentration, but don't pay too much attention to anything. Otherwise, you may miss other important things. Thank you, friend, for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe for next part.